Hello. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw an American flag in AutoCAD. So I've imported an image here, a raster image, and I'm going to use this image for references, measuring references. So the first thing I'm going to do is come here, I'm going to draw a line from the top of this star to the top of this star, and then bring it all the way down to the top of this star. This will make sense soon enough. These measurements for what I'm doing right now don't have to be like super accurate. Alright, now I will draw this kind of a rough, quick model of this star for a more accurate one than I'm going to do is using a polygon. Okay. Alright. Now I'll get the and pull the American flag away here. Okay, here use a circle so I can get a center 3-point circle, so I can produce a center for the polygon. And I'm going to use 5 sides for this. Go to center. And I'm going to make this polygon a little bit smaller. Okay. Now, delete and delete. And I'll go ahead and keep it right here, it's fine. So, use a line to draw out a star within the polygon. And so it will be precise. Delete the polygon. Here, boom, and join the star. Okay, actually join. Let me make sure I got everything in here. There. Okay. Now I'm going to place this tip here. And okay, so I'm going to create a path array. I'm going to run the star along this path and use divide for the number of stars that I want. I want 9. And then for this, I'm going to use measure. And I'll show you what I mean by that in just a moment. Okay, so first, I want to hatch this star with some white there, array, path, star, and I'm going to do this by divide. I'm going to divide the line by 9 stars exactly, and it went ahead and supplied that. Okay, now, next, what I'm going to do is I want to take a measurement here. From here to here is 5.489. We'll say 5.489. Try to remember it without writing it down. Just bring this out beyond what you think you'll need. Let's go a little bit further. 5.489. And then do another path array. Select this array, this path, go over here and select by measure. 5.489. And wait, that's good. Now, let's sort of chop this up here. First, we need to explode the whole thing twice because there are 2 arrays. Explode twice. Okay, now we need 6 stars across the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can just get rid of these and manually delete these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have our array of 50 stars here. Now, let's go back to this flag, this image of a flag that we imported in. And I'll take and draw a line from here to here, here, enter, and another line. And draw it from here to here to here, enter. Now let's move the flag out of here. Okay. Now choose path array. Select this line. Select this. Now I want to do this according to divide. Divide it 14 for 13 stripes. There we go. Now accept. Array. Come here with trim. Actually, we need to explode this. Explode. And I'll do it twice because earlier I had a little trouble with it, just in case. Alright. Okay, so now we'll trim out these lines here. And there's a slight discrepancy here. I suppose I could have been more careful making this, but so what I'm going to do is I want to trim that away, and I'll just go ahead and manually delete that. Okay, yes. Now let's hatch in some colors here. Choose red. Alright. Select hatch again. Choose a dark blue. Actually, that's not what I meant to do. Okay, hatch. And this needs to be white. Alright. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And there we go. Now, let's take our star plot and move it inside the area of the flag here. We won't be exact. We could, but just for the sake of time, I'll just put it right in there. Now, one more hash. This time, dark blue. And there's your flag. And there's some things, I mean, for the sake of speed, there's some things I'm not going to do to further clean this up. But American flag in AutoCAD. Thank you, I'm John.